Hello students, our today's subject is English lesson 3 Taro's reward. In the previous session of English we studied the lesson, right? I explained this lesson and today we are going to solve the exercises of this lesson. So let's start with the first exercise. Answer the questions. Open your textbook page number 34 and see the first question. Working with the text. Question A. Answer the following questions, and the first question is, why did Taro run in the direction of the stream? जब तारो ने स्ट्रीम की पानी की आवाज़ सुनी, राइट, तो वो उस डायरेक्शन में क्यों गया? And the answer is, Taro ran in the direction of the stream because he could not remember ever seeing or hearing a rushing stream in that part of the forest. जब भी वो फॉरेस्ट में लकड़ियाँ काटने जाता था तो उसने ऐसी आवाज़ कभी नहीं सुनी थी, तो इसलिए वो उस तरफ गया. एंड ही वॉज थर्स्टी, और उसे प्यास भी लगी थी. नाउ द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज, Question 2. How did Taro's father show his happiness after drinking shake? जब तारो के फादर ने वो शेक पिया, वो पानी पिया, स्वीट वाटर, तो how he show his happiness? वो ड्रिंक पीने के बाद उन्होंने अपनी खुशी कैसे जताई? After drinking shake, Taro's father stopped shivering. जब उन्होंने शेक पिया तो वो जो कांप रहे थे ठंड से वो स्टॉप हो गया. And showed his happiness by doing a little dance in the middle of the floor. और फिर उन्होंने उनकी खुशी कैसे जताई? उन्हें ठंड लग रही थी, वो कांपना बंद हो गया, राइट? तो उन्होंने कैसे उनकी खुशी जताई? By doing little dance, right? Okay. Now next question, question 3. Question 3. Why did the waterfall give Taro shake and others water? जब तारो वाटरफॉल में से पानी भरता था तो उसे शेक की तरह लगता था, और जब दूसरे लोगों ने पानी उसमें से भरा तो उन्हें क्यों वाटर जैसा लगा? Now what is the answer? Let's see. Answer 3. Taro was a thoughtful son who honored and obeyed his parents. तारो कैसा था? विचारशील पुत्र था जो सिर्फ अपने माता पिता के बारे में सोचता था, उनका सम्मान करता था, राइट? While the others were greedy, और दूसरे लोग कैसे थे? लालची थे. This is why the waterfall gave Taro shape and others water. और यही रीजन था कि तारो को वो जो वाटर था वो शेक की तरह लगता था, and others water. Let's see the next question. Now question 4. Why did the villagers want to drown Taro? जो villagers थे वो उन्हें स्वीट वाटर नहीं मिला तो वो लोग गुस्सा हो गए और वो लोग ऐसा चाहते थे कि तारो को उस पानी में डुबो दे. तो why did the villagers want to drown Taro? The answer is, the villagers wanted to drown Taro because they thought he had tricked them. क्योंकि उन लोगों को लगा कि तारो ने हमसे झूठ बोला है, राइट? तो इसलिए वो लोग ऐसा चाहते थे. Now question 5. Why did the emperor reward Taro? Emperor थे वहाँ के, तो उन्होंने तारो को रिवॉर्ड दिया, प्राइज दिया. क्यों दिया? The answer is, Taro honored and obeyed his parents. तारो कैसा लड़का था? एकदम थॉटफुल पर्सन था, राइट? तो वो अपने माँ बाप की जो मान रखता था, अपने माँ बाप के लिए सम्मान रखता था और उनकी हर एक आज्ञा का पालन करता था, उनके बारे में सोचता था, राइट? सो इसलिए द एम्परर रिवॉर्डेड हिम, इसलिए एम्परर ने उसे इनाम दिया. नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन बी. मार्क द राइट आइटम. Exercise B. Mark the right item. Here are some questions, 3 questions given in your textbook with their options, right? And you have to tick the correct option. First is Taro earned very little money because तारो जो भी कार्य करता था पर लेकिन उसे कम पैसे मिलते थे. So what is the reason? There are 3 options. First is, you have to look at in your textbook. Okay, the first option is he didn't work hard enough, क्योंकि वो ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं करता था. The villagers didn't need wood, क्योंकि villagers को लकड़ियाँ नहीं चाहिए थी. The piece of wood was very low. The price of wood was very low. जो भी wood थी, लकड़ियाँ थी, उनकी price कम थी. Right? So what is the right answer? Taro earned very little money because the price of wood was very low. वो लकड़ियाँ तो बहुत सारी काटता था, लेकिन उसकी प्राइस ही लो थी, तो इसलिए उसे कम पैसे मिलते थे. Now the second question, Taro decided to earn extra money. The options are to live a more comfortable life, क्योंकि उसे comfortable life जीनी थी, to buy his old father some shake, or to repair the cracks in the hut. उसके फादर के लिए उसे शेक लाना था और उसे जो उसके हट में जो क्रैक्स थी उसे रिपेयर करवाना था. What is the right answer? Tell me. Yes, yes. The second answer is right. To buy his old father some shake. To buy his old father some shake. Now the third question. The third question is, the neighbor left Taro's hut in a hurry because there are 3 options. जब तारो के घर उसका नेबर आया था तो तारो ने उसे शेक दिया और शेक पीने के बाद वो जल्दी से वहाँ से चली गई. क्यों? तो there are 3 options. She was delighted with the drink. वो ड्रिंक पीकर बहुत खुश हो गई. She was astonished to hear Taro's story. वो तारो की स्टोरी सुन के सरप्राइज हो गई. She wanted to tell the whole village about the waterfall. और वो सभी विलेजर्स को वो वाटरफॉल के बारे में बताना चाहता था. Right? What is the answer? Yes, the answer is 3 number. She wanted to tell the whole village about the waterfall. Okay. Now, working with language. Now, working with language. Question A. Strike up the word in the box below that are not suitable. Now, Taro wanted to give his old parents everything they needed. This shows that there are 8 points given. that Taro wanted to give his old parents everything they needed. तारो के पेरेंट्स जो भी चाहते थे वो सभी कुछ तारो उन्हें देना चाहता था. तो ये जो है उसकी किस तरह की फीलिंग्स बताती है? थॉटफुल, हार्ड वर्किंग, लविंग, ऑनेस्ट, कंसिडरेट, ट्रस्टवर्दी, एफिशिएंट और काइंड. वी हैव टू चूज द options from this box, right? So this shows that he was thoughtful, right? He thought always about his parents, right? Then loving, then considerate means वो समझदार था. And kind, right? Now this sentence shows that he was thoughtful, loving, considerate and kind. Now question B. The first question is this made Taro sadder than ever. इससे पहले तारो जो है कभी दुखी नहीं हुआ था. This refers to, there are three options. You have to look at in your textbook page number 35, working with the language, question B. And the first question, this made Taro sadder than ever, and this refers to, there are three options. A strong wind that began to blow, Taro's father's old age, और Taro's inability to buy expensive shake for his father. क्यों दुखी था? कौन सी बात उसे दुखी कर रही थी? तो the answer is third option, Taro's inability to buy expensive shake for his father, क्योंकि वो अपने फादर के लिए expensive shake नहीं ला पा रहा था. So the answer, first answer is the option 3. Now the second, this said the emperor was to encourage all children to honor and obey their parents. Emperor ने सभी children को जैसे कि encourage करने के लिए क्या किया? To honor their parents and obey their parents. सभी लोग, सभी बच्चे अपने parents का honor करें, उन्हें obey करें. तो बच्चों को encourage करने के लिए emperor ने क्या किया? There are three options. The most beautiful fountain in the city, rewarding Taro with gold and giving the fountain his name, and sending for Taro to hear this story. What is the answer? Correct answer? Yes, the answer is B. So the answer is second number answer, rewarding Taro with gold and giving the fountain his name. Now in question C, now take these options in your textbook and also underline these words in your textbook in exercise A and B. Now question C, arrange the words below in pairs that rhyme. For example, young, lung, money, sunny, right? Arrange the words that rhyme. Now here there are some words given in the box and we have to arrange them in pairs that rhymes. So the first has given young, lung. Another has also given money, sunny. Now let's take another word, that's sad, bad, chop, stop, last, fast, wax, axe. That we have to find out from the box. Could, would, sound, round, way, and day. These words you have to write in your notebook, right? Now question D, fill in the blanks with words from the box. Now here a paragraph is given in your textbook, page number 36, and there are options given in the box, and we have to complete the paragraph with the options, with the given options. Okay, first of all I will read the paragraph and then we will fill up with the options. A blank woodcutter lived on a blank hillside. He was a blank son who worked blank but earned blank money. One day he saw a blank waterfall hidden behind a rock. He tasted the water and found it blank. Let's fill up with the options. First, a blank woodcutter lived. Woodcutter कैसा था? Young था. So first answer is young. I will write the direct answer. You have to fill the answer in your textbook, page number 36. Right? Page number 36. You have to fill up this answer. The first answer is young. A young woodcutter lived on a blank hillside, lonely hillside. क्योंकि उस hillside पे कोई नहीं रहता था. Lonely hillside. The second answer is He was a blank son. वो एक कैसा सन था? वो हमेशा अपने पेरेंट्स के बारे में सोचता था. He was a thoughtful son. Right? Who worked blank. वो बहुत मेहनत करता था. Who worked hard. First blank, second blank, third blank, fourth blank. Now fifth blank. One day he saw a blank waterfall. One day he saw a little waterfall behind a rock. He tasted the water and found it delicious. Now write the answers in your textbook in the given paragraph. Now second question D. This is the first question of question D, and now we will solve the second question of question D. Question 2. Question D, second question. Find these sentences in the story and fill in the blanks. Here the 5 sentences are given, and after the sentence there is a number given. Now first is this made Taro blank than ever. Now number 3 is given at the last of the first sentence, right? You have to find the answer from the third paragraph of this lesson. This made Taro blank than ever. The answer is sadder. I will write the answer here, but you have to find from the third paragraph, right? You also have to try to find the answer from the third paragraph of this lesson. He decided to work blank than before, harder than before. H-A-R-D-E-R, harder than before. The answer is given in the third paragraph of the lesson, that you have to find out and underline this sentence from in paragraph 3 of the lesson. Okay? जो भी ये पैराग्राफ्स दिए गए हैं आपके लेसन में, उसमें थर्ड पैराग्राफ में ये दोनों सेंटेंस आपको मिलेंगे, उस पे आपको अंडरलाइन करना है और ये आंसर्स जो है इस एक्सरसाइज में आपको फिलअप करने हैं. Third is next morning Taro jumped out of bed blank than usual, earlier than usual. This answer is given in the fourth paragraph. This answer is given in the fourth paragraph, right? 4 number. He began to chop even blank. He began to chop even faster. Fifth answer is next morning Taro started for a week even blank than morning before, even earlier than morning before. Now write all the answers in your textbook. Now speaking and writing. Question A. Speak the following sentences clearly but as quickly as you can. Learn them by heart. Here 2 sentences are given as the tongue twister. Do you know about what is tongue twister? Let's see. The first sentence is, how much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck would chuck wood? Second sentence, Betty bought a bit of butter, but the bit of butter was a little bitter. So she bought some butter to make the bitter butter better. मजा आया? आपको ये बोलना है. Right? These are the tongue twisters. Just speak and enjoy them and also learn them by heart. Okay? Now, I am going to end this session here. We will continue with another exercises in the next video. Till then, thank you.